and welcome to English in Real Life. My name is Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
In this lesson, you will learn how to buy fruits and vegetables at the market using simple, clear English. This video is perfect for beginners who want to improve their speaking and listening skills and also enrich your everyday vocabulary. In this video, you will learn names of fruits and vegetables, practice polite phrases like, could I have, I would like, and learn how to ask about prices. Speak along and repeat the sentences to build confidence.
Great! I think it's a good idea to start by learning the names of common fruits and vegetables. Let's start with vegetables. Tomato, cucumber, carrot, potato, cabbage, broccoli, peas, corn, bell pepper, onion, garlic, cauliflower, beet.
Now that you are familiar with some of the vegetables, let's also take a look at common fruits and berries. Apple, banana, melon, watermelon, pineapple, mango, grapes, orange, pear, plum, strawberry, kiwi, pomegranate, cherry, and lemon. Perfect! Now you're ready to listen to a conversation. Hello,
Hello, how can I help you?
I would like some apples, please. The red ones.
Of course. How many apples would you like?
I would like 3 apples. How much are the apples?
They are €3 per kilo.
Okay, I will take them. Can I also have some tomatoes, please?
Yes, of course.
And 2 carrots, please.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
2 carrots also.
I see, thank you. That is €9 in total. Are you paying by cash or card?
By card, can I also have a bag, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Great job today. Practice every day and speak slowly. See you next time.
If you found today's episode useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Bye.